Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today this video will be the highly educational video and I will explain you many things today. First of all, our trading session start from the 8 p.m. which is from the New York time zone. We can see there was a high which is broken by the 8 p.m. candle like this, and this forms the structure like this. Yeah, you can see this forms the structure like this, and we got the zone like this and this. When the market tap into my zone like this, I went to the 3-minute time frame to look for the confirmations, and here you can see there is no any buy confirmations. As you can see, there is lots of different candle here, and this is my entry confirmation on the lower time frame. Candlestick indicator provide me the confirmation at the lower time frame, which is 3-minute time frame. I have integrated all kinds of entry criteria, print the different color candle like this, and we can see there is no any confirmations, and here also there is no any confirmation for the buy. And I went to the 15-minute time frame, and here we can see it forms the bearish change of character here, and when it forms the bearish change of character, it gives the 3 levels like this. This is the QM, this is the QM level of the structure, and this is the apex, and this is the support become resistance kind of level. And I went to the 3-minute time frame when the market touched into this level, and you can see this candle, this candle broke this level. You can see like this candle is the 9:42 p.m. candle which broke the this level. So this level becomes the invalid for me, and after that I went to the this level. After that, market went to this level, and I look for the entry confirmations, and my entry confirmations is like this. If I am on selling zone, I wait for the black candle like this, and I put my SL above this level. If market is above this, I put my SL above the candle eye. If market is above this level, above the level. If the market is not above the level, I just put my SL just slightly above this level like this. If wick was above this level like this, I put my SL above like this. Yeah, this is the SL. This is the SL level, and you can see market just close this level by this candle, which is the 15-minute closing. On the 15-minute time frame, we can see 15-minute candle just close this level, and this level becomes invalid for me, and it forms, and I put my take profit at this level like this, and I put my take profit like this, and it successfully hit my break even here. And after that, it reaches to the FX level, and it gives my black candle confirmations here like this, and I put my SL at this level, and it successfully hit my take profit like this. And if you go to the 15-minute time frame, it forming the beautiful structure like this. You can see this is the structure. In this structure, we got the 2 levels like this. This is the breakout structure, so we got the 2 level like this. This is the first, which has become support, become resistance, and then this apex level only for the breakout structure. And now when market reaches into this level, I was looking for the trade like this. It got into my, it just tapped into my, it just tapped into this selling level, and I took my trade at this level, and my SL was slightly above this zone, as I said early, and I put my trade into break even After it hit about 50% of this target, which is about 1.5, and it hit successfully at my break even. And as you know, FOMC, today's FOMC. So I did not took another trade here, but there was a beautiful setup. Here you can see this is the level. Yeah, this is the level. This is the breakout structure. In the breakout structure, we usually got like two levels like this. This is the support become resistance level, and this is the apex level. And I went to the 3-minute time frame. On the these levels, there is no any entry confirmations. On the 3-minute time frame, there is the entry confirmation with the black candle. And if I was to that trade, my SL will be at this level, and my TP will be like 1:3 RR. Just hit my 1:3 RR TP, but I did not took this trade. And you can see this was a break-even trade, and this was a successfully 3 RR trade, and this is also the break-even trade for today. And yeah, this much for today. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, and if you want daily trade breakdown video like this, you can subscribe and like the video, you will get notification of my video. And thank you so much for watching till the end.